Hello mga karap! This is Chinky, and I would like to share with you my very special creation, which is the fresh lumpia. I started accepting orders March 26, 2025, and honestly, I really have no idea if it would be a hit. All I know is masarap ang gawa kong fresh lumpia. Kaya gusto kong matikman pa ito ng iba at may experience nila yung joy every time na kumakain ng fresh lumpia. And just a few background, alam nyo ba na first time kong matutong gumawa nito when I was in grade 6. Tinuruan kami ng advisor namin before from the wrapper, filling, and sauce. Yun yung first experience ko in making fresh lumpia, everything from scratch. Growing up, nakahiligan ko talagang gumawa at kumain nito. Until I perfected the recipe of its crepe at naisipan ko lagyan ng certain tweak yung wrapper by adding malunggay leaves. In that way, it's more healthy and visually it's more appealing dahil sa green color na binibigay ng malunggay leaves. At laking tuwa ko na kahit sa loob ng wala pang isang buwan, patuloy ako nakaka-receive ng mga magagandang feedbacks from our clients. And by their word of mouth and referrals, kaya mas dumarami pa yung nagsisi-order ng aming fresh lumpia. Kaya naman, thank you so much aking mga suki! Asahan niyong patuloy naming pagbubutihan ng paggawa ng produktong ito para ma-maintain ang quality at sarap na nagustuhan niyo simula una. Kaya naman sa mga entrepreneur na katulad ko, wag tayong susuko. At sa tulong at guidance ni Lord, at sa ating dedikasyon sa trabaho, sipag at pagsusumikap, rest assured na lahat ng ginagawa natin ito ay magiging makabuluhan at magkakaroon ng great reward. And we will enjoy the fruit of our labor soon. Kaya naman, wag tayong susuko at patuloy lang natin pagbutihan sa lahat ng mga ginagawa natin. And let's do everything with love and for the glory of God. And with that, it's a wrap!